Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to have a business model canvas on agentic AI, how it is implemented in the precision agriculture. Here we have two students Agalya from 3rd IT and Vijay Durga from 3rd IT. They are going to explain the value proposition, the customer segmentation, and key services, and the various cost and revenue model features. So I am here faculty. Let me explain you what is this agentic AI, how it is being integrated with the precision agriculture. The various key activities or key components of this particular business model canvas. It is going to be a futuristic startup where we will have crop monitoring and the health management which is being integrated, and also to work on the soil and nutrition management and irrigation and water management and the pest and disease control. So these are all the key components of this particular business model, and it provides the various alerts and like techniques where we can implement in the real-time plant disease selection and the plant growth tracking, soil fertility analysis, and water stress prediction, smart surveillance, image diagnosis, and weather-linked pest dynamics. So we have to collaborate with certain key partners, the various agriculturals, the stakeholders of the technologies, the government sectors, and the people who are creating and manufacturing the pesticides and other equipments, the sensors and IoT devices which are involved in the precision agriculture. So now over to the students.
Hello everyone, I'm Agalya from third year IT here to talk about the customer segments and value propositions. Actually, what is the customer segments? Who are the customers? Are actually the customer segments. For this problem, for this business, who are actually the customers? The farmers having the small scale lands, and the farmers having the large scale lands, and agribusiness peoples. So these are the customer segments. For small scale farmers, farmers with small land who have affordable, which is affordable, and they have a easy solution for every problem. So if we take an example of farmer having 2 acres of rice farm in Tamil Nadu, we can use AI, agentic AI, to know when to irrigate and when to cultivate all those crops. These comes under the small scale farmers. And for large scale farmers, that is the commercial farmers, they actually have the large land. They need mostly automations and high productivity. When we consider an example of a farmer having a sugarcane company, sugarcane land, he needs to know when to give pesticides and when to put every fertilizers in exact month. So here AI will be used for automation so that those farmers will be getting benefited from this. In agribusiness companies, the crop production, they will be involving in crop production, food processing, or seed production, such things. So if we need to give a agentic AI solution, if we give agentic AI solution for them, it will be very useful for their automation and therefore business. And value proportion. Uh, Value proportion is actually about what value does this business provide to them. It will be providing such kind of things like a smart crop monitoring, water resource optimization. Smart crop monitoring means AI continuously monitors the crop and using the sensors and cameras, so that if any plant get any leaf diseases, which will be detecting, this sensor will be detecting, and earlierly it will be sending to the farmers, so he can prevent the most damages. So there will be only little damages, and it will be more affordable for him. And then water resource optimization, early pest and disease detection, and cost reduction. In cost detection, there will be a major advantage of using this AI because it reduces the waste of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. For example, The farmer saves the money by saving the pesticides only in affected area. He need not give it to the entire crops, which is good. He may be only providing it to the crops which is really in bad condition, which is about to die.
Good morning everyone, I am Vijay Durga. I am going to talk about key resources and revenue streams of Agentic AI. So the revenue streams are, our revenue comes mainly from subscription based access, where business pay to use our platform. We also offer SaaS licensing and customized AI solutions for organization. Additionally, we generate revenue through consulting services and analytics insight, helping companies improve efficiency and sustainability. And our key resources include advanced AI models and algorithms that enable intelligent decision making. We use high quality data sets such as sensors and environmental data to train the system. We also rely on cloud computing and software tools for development and deployment. Finally, our skilled team of AI developers and data experts ensures the system works efficiently and improves continuously.